Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to those who clicked on this video. I am Sir Romnick, or Sir Rom for short, and I am one of the instructors of Zuitt Coding Bootcamp, and I've been with Zuitt for almost 2 years now. Bukod sa akin guys, no, we also have Sir Matthew. Hello po Sir Matthew, kumusta po?
Po ako, Sir Rome. Everything's good so far. And hello po, everyone, especially to our viewers. I'm Sir Matthew, or Sir Matt, also an IT instructor here in Zuit for almost a year na din. So we're here, our podcast today, for those who are interested in tuning in and learning more about the world of tech. And welcome po sa ating Zuit Coding Bootcamp Guide, Episode 6.
Ayan, yes. Thank you po, Sir Matt. No? For today's podcast, we will talk about the phrase zero to hero. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, guys, that we are about to create a remarkable change sa buhay natin, like being unsuccessful, inexperienced, and to having a great success and expertise. Tama ba, Sir Matt?
Tama po, Sir Rome. So my thoughts naman on our topic from zero to hero is that we're embarking on a journey, not just learning to code, but it is all about unlocking yung mga opportunities na meron sa mundo ng tech industry. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon na in demand ang tech skills sa market, in which we're going to make our coding skills as our asset.
Yes, tama yan, sir. Per experience din naman, Sir Matt, super in demand ang mga proficient coders sa panahon natin ngayon. Especially, we are transitioning na talaga sa digitalization. However, starting from zero to hero, hindi po yan instantaneous na process. We need to go along no dun sa mga different challenges din, and then whereas itong mga challenges na to ay magiging bridges natin para maging proficient. Okay, then along this process and challenges, of course, may part pa rin naman na magda-doubt tayo sa sarili and kakayahan natin, di ba? So, what are your thoughts on this, Sir Matt?
I think it is natural lang naman na magkaroon tayo ng doubts and fears bago tayo pumasok sa journey ng coding bootcamp, especially here in Zuwit, Sir Ro. Pero what can I assure you is that hindi po kayo nag-iisa. Kasi marami na mga successful developers na na-overcome yung kanilang doubts and fears. And I've been into that situation and I'm sure si Sir Rome po, before joining the coding bootcamp here in Zuwit. Kasi hindi natin alam if magiging successful tayo or, after our bootcamp, it will work out in the end ba or hindi. But thanks to my mentors and co-bootcampers, I was able to overcome the similar obstacles, ika nga. Kaya guys, hindi kayo nag-iisa. And kami naman mga instructors dito sa Zuwit, it will also guide you and help you on overcoming those obstacles.
Yes, 'di ba? Super agree ako diyan, sir, kasi again, kaming mga instructors po ni Zuwit, we just don't teach the technologies. We also help our students, no, na may struggle on their end, and especially yung mga walang background talaga sa app development. And yeah, ayun yung pwede nating i-offer sa kanila as instructors dito sa Zuwit Coding Bootcamp natin, 'di ba, sir?
Yes, Sir Rob. Kasi alam niyo po ba, Sir Rob, most of the time, the doubts and fears that clings in the back of our head comes with having zero knowledge in any programming languages, especially po for those who are or who want to, become a web developer, software engineer. And this actually has been one of the biggest misconceptions about coding bootcamps, lalo na sa mga career shifters and beginner developers. Kasi akala nila na you need prior coding knowledge before enrolling sa mga coding bootcamps, which in reality, bootcamps, especially dito sa Zuit, are designed for beginners, providing a nurturing environment to learn from scratch. So I've handled batches or may mga nahawakan na akong classes or batches na most of the students talaga ay meron silang zero coding background, but they persevered and thrived and excelled in these programming languages na ino-offer dito sa Zuit.
Yan, opo. That's right po, no, sir. Especially yung main course package na ino-offer ni Zuwit. It was divided into three parts, and it was divided talaga in a very friendly manner.
Yep.
No? Ayaw kasi nating ma-overwhelmed yung mga bootcampers kaya we always start with the basic kagaya ng front-end course natin, no? Sa part na to, we are building, no, yung pinaka-user interface, no, yung pinaka-design ng mga web application natin. Then after that, we're going to have the back-end course. Binubuhay natin yung design na meron tayo. And yeah, it's like we are adding some functionalities to gather information dun sa mga users, and to and those information will be stored sa database nating tinatawag. And then pinaka last po is yung full stack course natin. Combination ni front end and the back end using timely and relevant technologies na kagaya ni React.js, no? Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam. Ayan, si React.js po, ito po yung ginagamit ni Meta, no, to build Facebook, Instagram, and other famous web applications out there. And yeah, ito po yung pinaka-structure ng curriculum ni Zuitt. Very straightforward kaya hindi nahihirapan yung mga zero knowledge sa coding. And yan, alam nyo ba guys na bago maging instructor yan si Sir Matt, naging bootcamper muna siya, and I guess he was a career shifter as well. Tama po ba, Sir Matt?
Tama po, Sir Rome. I could say na I'm a living proof of that because as you have said nga po, Sir Rome, I'm also a career shifter. So just a quick background lang on my end is that I'm actually a petroleum engineering graduate. However, due to the pandemic, I thought na mag-shift na lang ng career or change my career. Hence, becoming a web developer or a software engineer. And eventually, I've become an instructor here in Zuit. Kahit wala naman siya sa plano, but I was given the opportunity, so I grabbed it. Pero balik tayo doon sa pinag-uusapan namin ni Sir Rock. Kasi mukhang lumalayo si Sir Matt. Ayan. Okay? So as mentioned nga po, I'm a career shifter. I also thought na kailangan ko ng coding knowledge before joining in or enrolling sa Zuit. So I self-studied the programming languages that are used in web development. It kind of get to the point na di ko na alam kung ano ang sunod ko na aralan. Kasi hindi nga po structured yung topics na tinuturo sa mga YouTube videos or any documentations na nakikita ko sa Google. And even if I have questions, ayan, hindi ko naman po mapapagtanungan yung nagsasalita dun sa mga YouTube videos. So enrolling in Zuit or joining in Zuit helped me provide a more structured curriculum to follow and yung tinatawag nga po nating career roadmap. And you know, Zuit also offer short courses packages, ayan, that you can also enroll after graduating or after finishing nung main courses package. So, hindi naging stagnant yung learning experience ko, especially na career shifter ako. Ayan. How about you po, Sir Ro? May mga experiences po ba tayo na may share patungkol dito? Especially na on your part, I think IT graduate ka. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir, no. On my part naman po, though I was an IT graduate, very, very, very minimal lang kasi yung mga technologies, no, na ino-offer ng academe, and very standard yung structure. So, yeah, before ako naging instructor kay Zuit, I was a bootcamper as well. Then, hulaan niyo kung saan. Dito rin naman, no, kay Zoe Coding Bootcamp po. And yeah, dito ko na-realize na ang dami pa palang technologies na need kong aralin para makasabay, no, doon sa field ng development. Kaya I can also testify, no. I can also testify na yung mga tools, no, yung mga applications, yung mga resources na ipino-provide ni Zuit will surely upscale our skill as a software engineer. Okay, then yeah. Well, this is just on our end, guys, no. But Sir Matt, can I ask you a question po? Yan. As an instructor, nagkaroon ka na ba ng student na at first very doubtful siya sa sarili niya, and then after through different courses, biglang na-build up yung confidence niya sa pagko-code, and yeah, hanggang doon sa matapos yung coding bootcamp natin. Meron po ba, Sir Matt?
For sure, Sir Ro. May mga students ako na na-handle na yung journey nila na pinagdaanan from having doubts and fears eventually turned into beliefs. I've had the privilege of witnessing those students transform their skepticism into confidence. So, example na dito, Sir Rome, quickly share ko lang po. Ayan. Um, from the batch that I previously handled, ayan, di naman maiwasan yun, di ba, Sir Rom, na may mga students tayo na at the end of their, at the start of their bootcamp, eventually matanong sila. Dami nilang tanong kasi syempre di nila alam yung mga pinag-uusapan natin sa bootcamp. And eventually, due, ayan, dahil sa mga activities na ino-offer natin or binibigay, especially yung mga hands-on projects natin, eventually, they built up their confidence na over time ng bootcamp nila, parang paunti na paunti na lang yung pagtatanong nila. And actually, in the middle of their bootcamp, some of my students also actually tinatawagan na sila or nagkakaroon na sila ng tech exam or tech interview from other companies. I mean, by witnessing those experiences from my students, it actually became a testament on how powerful continuous learning is, and especially their perseverance to learn.
Yan, true yan, sir, actually, no? And as an instructor, no, nakakatuwang makita talaga yung mga bootcampers na sa una, hindi sila marunong gumawa ng kahit na simpleng HTML structure lang. Tapos, after full stack course, they were able to develop their first ever working web applications. And yung doubts, yeah, aminin na natin sa una lang talaga yon. Okay, but after few trials, I know makakapag-build up talaga sila ng desire to become a successful no software engineer. And yeah, I also have to agree with you then, Sir Matt, na yung learning process natin, it should be continuous. Kaya naman dito po kay Zuitt Coding Bootcamp, after completing our main course package, yeah, we are still giving opportunities to those interested to join our short course packages. Super nice lang kasi 'di ba, ayaw nating ma-stuck yung knowledge ng mga bootcampers, no, yung mga knowledge na na-build up nila from our main course package. So continuous, no, continuous pa rin po yung learning process natin dito kay Zuitt Coding Bootcamp.
Definitely po, Sir Rome. I mean, I have the same sentiments na ayoko rin na maging stagnant yung learning process or yung learning experience ko. Ayan. Especially after completing or graduating sa main course package natin. So by this, Sir Rome, what can you expect from a coding bootcamp, especially dito sa Zuit?
Yeah. As mentioned earlier, sir, no, we divided our main course package into three courses, mainly yung front-end course, no, back-end course, and yung full stack course natin. Then yung mga technologies and applications na ginagamit natin is yung kung ano talaga, no, yung ginagamit ng mga software developers sa field ng technology or sa pinaka-industry talaga. And then, alam mo ba, Sir Matt, no, we also have these boot campers na nag-thank you sa atin kasi they were able to apply, no, sa real world talaga yung mga hands-on projects na ginawa nila during their coding experience, coding bootcamp
I
experience.
agree with Sir Rob. I've also heard those testimonies from our previous bootcampers, and you can actually check the videos here in Zuit's YouTube. Meron po dito mga testimony ng mga previous bootcampers natin talking about their successful stories from jumpstarting their journey with Zuit or mainly, jumpstarting their tech career here in Zuit. And I think, as far as I can remember, meron isang episode na she was still at senior high school, but she was able to find a job as a web developer, software engineer. So if you have free time, everyone, ayan, kung may time lang naman po kayo, we can watch all those videos pa. Okay? Ayan. So as we wrap up with our episode in the podcast, just wanna encourage everyone, especially to our viewers, lalo na po, ayan, yung may gustong mag-jumpstart ng career in the tech industry, to explore joining in Zuit Coding Bootcamp. Hindi lang po ito sa pag-aaral ng pagko-code or pag-aaral ng mga iba't ibang programming languages. This is about unlocking your full potential and embarking on a journey to the tech industry.
Yes, tama po. Thank you so much po, Sir Matt. No? So to those interested in joining our coding bootcamp, the registration is ongoing every first week of the month and classes starting Monday of the second week. So here are our bootcamp schedules. For full-time schedule starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. That runs for almost 2 months, 2 to 3 months, no, with free short courses that you can take. And then we also have the part-time schedule din naman po that starts at 5:30 p.m. and ends at 9:30 p.m. That runs for about mga 3 to 4 months po siguro na. And then we also have the free short courses as well. And then links to Zuitt's website and registration link are at the description box for those who are interested. You may visit those links. Kung may mga tanong po kayo or concerns, yeah, regarding our bootcamp, we are happy to answer them during our free live consultations held every Mondays to Fridays po by our career advisors to assist you with all, okay, your application
Thank you po,
inquiries.
Sir Rome. And thank you po, everyone, for listening to our podcast. We hope you have learned a lot in this episode entitled Zero to Hero, or mainly jumpstarting your tech career here in Zuitt Coding Bootcamp. For more podcast topics with Zuitt, hit like and subscribe na sa ating channel. So I'm going to see you soon here at Zuitt Coding Bootcamp. Tama pa, Sir Rome?
Yes, and if you have any topics in mind guys, no, please, ayan, paki-share po yan sa comment section natin. And yeah, we would like to see those wonderful ideas. And we'll try to make new episode with those topics po. And then, yeah, thank you po and see you at Zoit Coding Bootcamp.